in terms of offering some insight between the differences of pharmaceutical and illicitly manufactured fentanyl, when I use the term pharmaceutical fentanyl, I'm really talking about products, fentanyl products that are FDA approved or DEA approved. So that's fentanyl itself, which is available in a myriad of dosage forms. There's sufentanil, which is also available in a myriad of dosage forms. There's remifentanil, there's alfentanil. Technically, carfentanil we could consider pharmaceutical. The caveat being that's only approved for use in animals. It's used as a tranquilizing agent. And what separates, especially the first four fentanyl and fentanyl derivatives that I discussed, what really separates those from illicitly manufactured is that these fentanyl products are highly regulated by the FDA and the DEA, and they're approved for the most part for patients in medically supervised use only, except for a few of the fentanyl products that are approved for chronic pain. So what we've seen is that a lot of times with a lot of news outlets and even journal articles coming out in public hysteria, there seems to be this blaming of fentanyl itself in driving these overdose deaths. It's really the illicitly manufactured fentanyls and those products. When we think about illicitly manufactured fentanyl analogues, things like acrylfentanyl or butyrylfentanyl or the methylfentanyls, which there's 10 or 15 of those. When we think about those, the biggest difference is that there's no regulation. There's no specific regulatory body making sure that when these products are made, that they're made cleanly, that the excipients, which are the inactive ingredients used, that they're not causing harm, that their potency data and pharmacokinetic data all make sense and it's equivalent to what it's supposed to be. So there's none of that. So they're kind of made in these clandestine laboratories where the patient doesn't know or the person that might be using something has no idea what they're using, what dose that they're using. But it also makes it difficult on the back end when community resources are trying to be used to identify these outbreaks of illicitly manufactured fentanyl overdoses. Our ability to actually identify what's in the products, and then if someone unfortunately passes away, what's in their system. It takes days and days and days to actually identify those sources. So it's created this kind of whirlwind effect, and again, that is really what has driven the overdose crisis, and those I would say are the main differences between pharmaceutical fentanyl products and illicitly manufactured ones.